Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vishal bringing you the latest updates on the development of a new horror survival game. Make sure that you all watch my video till the end because I have a surprise for you all, a clue or a hint about how the game might actually look like when it's completely finished. Let me kick things off by showing you some light and shadow effects that I have been working on since the last week. What you see on the screen is a comparison between two light sources. The left one is without dynamic lighting, whereas the right one is with real-time dynamic lighting. The difference is very clear. With the real-time dynamic lighting, I'm able to give a proper shadow effect to every object within that particular range. Let me show you a few more light sources that I have placed in my scene. I have three other lights with different intensity and color. Now, the real-time shadow takes the shape of the objects just like in real world. So the shadows are not dependent on the color, but the brighter the light, the darker the shadows will be. I just love rainy days, don't you? And I just had to have them in my game. However, there is a problem. To have the rain cover the entire town or maybe the entire map, that is if you're playing on a bigger map, is just going to kill your PC. It's going to demand resources, more graphic power and more memory. So I did exactly what I told in my last video. I used my player position to increase or decrease the radius of the rain particles. In order to build the environment around my rain particles, I did two things. One, I added a weather skybox, and second, I added a cloud layer. The cloud layer composes of five different particle effects which basically look like storm clouds. Then I added in some lightning effect. Basically, it's just flickering light effect which looks like lightning to those particular clouds. And in the end, this is what it looks like. And I think it's really cool. So let's move on. Now I have a question for you all. Have you heard of any ghost towns? Or do you love ghosts or specters? Well, I'm going to show you one today. Yes. Now using the image effects of Unity, I was able to get a see-through effect on all of my character models. Well, hello there, Mr. Merchant. What are you selling today? Haha, I am not really very good at it. Anyway, talking about the NPCs or the character model, I remember that I promised to show you the fully working dialogue system in the next video. So let's talk to our Dr. Smith once more and let's see what he has to say. The camera now stays still on the NPC or the character the user is talking to. So if you have multiple characters gathered in a group and each and every one of them is talking to each other, so whoever the user is listening to or talking to will be the one where the camera is focused at. So what is a dialogue system without multiple choices? What I have done here is the user is now able to choose between multiple choices, and based on the selection the NPC responds with a different option or different dialogue. Thank you for watching, and as promised I am going to shut up and show you some hints or clues to the real game that I'm developing behind the scenes. Again, thank you for watching. Please support my development by liking, subscribing, and sharing my video. Bye for now.